We're literally out here riding for the target fam, for the kill shot fam. We're trying to, you know, who's charging 28 right now? Ship. All right, just got that. Yes, sir. Rookies, give me 1 minute. Let me mark that down. So guys, anything that you sent for tonight, if you didn't send $5 shipping, please send for $5 shipping. We sent everything out today, so the $5 tonight will cover anything after. So if you haven't sent $5 shipping, please send for $5. We can figure that out tomorrow whenever we ship out. No worries. I'm just letting you guys know it's $5 more for shipping, and then everything after that again is shipped out. So, rookies, Break Chicago, what up, man? Yo, rookies has been riding with us hard. He is a kill shot fam. Nico, Lando, Nevmac, show him some love. Let's go, guys. All right, so I'm gonna let you pick. We got 2 contenders right here. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You pick. So 1 or 2, we'll break this, and then we'll break a Topps Stadium Chrome. Kid Sports, what up, man? We got trading rookies of the year trading cards, ripping a MLB Contenders. Nico gave me a whole dude, he really did. Cello, yeah. Yep. Rookies, that's in your box. That already got sent. Nico gave you a rookie cello. It did. So we're going with number 1. We're putting that to the side. We're going with number 1. And then I'm going to give you a choice. I'm going to give you a choice on... So that is yours. And then I'm going to give you a choice on the Stadium Top. So 1 or 2 again. 1 or 2. I like giving people a choice, you know? So 1 or 2. And then let me know if you want to do the Stadium first or the Contenders. Nice, I love it. I love it. I love it, dude. This box feels heavy. I love it. Alright, so we're going to put this to the side. Let me know if you want to do Contenders first or Topps Chrome. Rookies. Rookies, man. That's why we're here, man. Just to give some fun. You're getting a pull out of the mystery box. Don't worry. Whether we do that tonight or tomorrow. Happy New Year's to everyone. Absolutely, Vayner. Guys, we have about 12 packs left in this Vivid Voltage booster box. We really haven't hit anything out of it. So these are waiting for people. It's $6 a pack or 3 for $16. Contenders? No problem, man. No problem. Alright. So let's put this here. Let's throw that up there. And we are going to get ripping into this. A big purchase coming on. Oh, God. Oh, God. Pull box is crazy. Yo, so, real quick. Let me grab these real quick. So, Nico did the pull box earlier, and my dude hit a Rainbow Rare Muck and a Alolan Muck. And he hit a Hank Blaylock stamp patch. That's a 25 out of 100. So, my dude Nico killed the fucking pull box. Alright, let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Rookies, give me the thumbs up, and we will start ripping. I gotta get the thumbs up just to make sure everyone's good. Yeah, seriously, dude. Nico killed the pull box, and there's still some really good shit in there. There's still cellos. Oh, my bad. There's still cellos in here that you can hit. So give me the thumbs up, and we will start ripping. Alright, let's go, guys. Happy New Year. It's a late night for us, but we don't care. We're ripping for everyone. We're giving deals out. Let's go. Let's go, rookies. So, again, guys, I'm not too familiar with baseball. I know who we're looking for on the top. Luis Robert, Gavin Lux, Brendan McKay, the Tatis, too. Tatis is good, right? I know we pulled a couple Tatis Jr. earlier. So, let me know. Let me know if I should sleeve. Let me know who should be thrown in. But here we go, guys. I love these boxes, by the way. Let me turn this down. Alright. Alright, here we go. So, who do you collect? Here we go. Right there. Empty box. You know what we do with that. Cash. Yes, sir. Comps are needed. Alright, so there's no fat pack. I'm thinking the first one is the auto. So we're gonna put that there. As I just throw it. We're gonna throw that into the Pokemon box. Stadium Chrome stays there, and we got 5 packs right there. So let's get into it. CT Card Shop, what up, man? The combo with this is fire. I'm glad. I'm hoping everyone's having a good time, man. That's literally what this is all about. And these cards never want to open for me. Here we go. We are pulling Contenders Panini Baseball. We are looking for that one auto. Okay. So we're starting with a Chris Bryant. A Cody Bellinger. Ooh. What is that? What is that? Oh, dude, we got you. We might not be on tomorrow night, but we're ripping late tonight. Let's go. Ooh, a Vladimir Silver. That's numbered. That is numbered. 27 out of 299. Wait a minute. What's his number? Is he 27 like his dad? Hold on. That might be an eBay 101. That might be... Is his number 27? I'm bugging out. Seriously, though. Hold on. 27 of 299. Is he number 27? I don't know his number. Where's his number? Seriously, is that an eBay 1 of 1 number 20? I know his dad was number 27. Vlad was number 27. Yo, that literally might be an eBay 1 of 1. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's an eBay 1 of 1. This is literally an eBay 1 of 1. Are you fucking with me? Bro, that is a jersey card number eBay 1 of 1. That's an eBay 1 of 1. Oh my god, dude. Rookies, you just hit an eBay 1 of 1. Out of 299. Are you kidding me? What is good, bro? Rookies literally can't stop pulling heat. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is good. He just pulled an eBay 1 of 1, number 27. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. We have a Lance Lynn. And a Nick Madrigal. Hold on. I'm stunned. That is out of 299, and we hit his jersey number. His jersey number, like, that's a ridiculous card. That is a ridiculous card. Yes, and there's still an auto. So you just hit an eBay 1 of 1 jersey card. And there's still an auto, yes. He's right there. He's right there. Alright, let's keep it going. I'm shook. I'm shook, man. No, like, that was... Dude, we've... Oh, my God. Rookies literally just pulls fire with us. I swear to God, it doesn't miss. He doesn't miss. I don't know what to say. I'm shook on that. Like, it could have been any number. It could have been any number. Gleyber Torres. Marco Gonzalez. Austin Meadows. Better than Peyton Manning, I think. Oh, ooh, I don't know. I'm an NFL fan, man. Jonathan Villar, green. Who is that? And a Christian Pache. Why do I feel like Pache is nice? This should get sleeved, right? Why is Pache nice? I feel like Christian Pache is nice. I'm sleeving this. That's getting sleeved. For some reason, I feel like he's nice. TSB, what up, man? Christian Pache. Let me throw that right there. Yo, TSB. We just hit a eBay 1 of 1. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. 27 of 299 green. Jersey number. I'm still shook. That's a fire. That's ridiculous. That's a crazy card. Crazy card, man. Yeah, I think Pache is nice. I've heard him on other pages, so I sleeved it. Starting with an Ozzy. Eduardo Rodriguez. Josh Hader. JD Martinez. And we are ending on Garrett Mitchell. Yeah, that's what I thought. I've heard Pache, his name. I've heard Pache. That's a good card, for sure. Okay, guys. Already hit a 1 of 1 eBay. eBay 1 of 1, 27 out of 299. We can't stop pulling fire with rookies, I swear to God. And we still haven't hit the auto. Here we go, guys. Still haven't pulled the auto. 8. This might be the auto on the back. Okay. I think that's the auto. Let's save that. Let's save this pack. I'm pretty sure that's the auto. This thing just keeps falling. Doesn't want to... Alright. I'm pretty sure that's the auto. Oh man, dude, if that can be a Gavin Lux auto or a Kuna Jr., oh my God. Yeah, this doesn't want to open. Not trying to ruin the cards. You know how we do. No, it's a redemption. Really? Is it really? Fuck that. Hey, Clayton Kershaw. Okay. Freddie Freeman. That's a good card, right? Freddie Freeman. Oh, Albert Pujols. Okay, Albert Pujols. Sohei Ohtani. I don't know if that's good. Let me know. Acuna Jr. I'm going nuts. Let's go. And a Reggie Jackson Legacy. I'll sleeve that up. Love Reggie Jackson. Love that dude. Should any of these be sleeved? Let me know. I'll sleeve those if we need to. But guys, here we go. I'm going to open this pack because I think that is the auto. But here we go. DT, what up, man? Freeman? No worries, I got you. Yeah, I feel like, yeah, someone has told me Freddie Freeman is a good rookie. No problem. That's bagged up. DT, what up, man? We're pulling some MLB contenders. We have the auto right there, I'm pretty sure. We are just waiting on it right now. Here we go. So a JD Martinez. Another Ohtani. I'm ATL based. Okay. I feel that. Chris Paddock. And... oh, we got one more. A green Mike Soroka. Come on, Mike Trout. And a Braylon Marquez. Okay. Yep, so I was right. So we have the auto right here. I'm pretty sure it's after the next card. So let's go. Nelson Cruz. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hyon Ryu. This is the auto. As I just showed it. So we're going to put... oh! A green Chris Bryant. I know that dude's good, right? And a Wander Franco. Winning ticket. So, let me know what to sleeve on this. We're about to pull the auto right now. We are about to pull the auto. So how about this? I'm going to put that behind it. Here we go. Wait. Am I an asshole? Wait! You got a redemption? Hold on. I thought it was a filler. You have a redemption. You just got a redemption. Hold on. I thought it was a filler, guys. Hold on. Oh my god, 1999. Card number 10. Abraham Toro, redemption. So my dog, you got a redemption card out of this. Guys, is that good? I don't know. And then we have the Ryu. Is that good? I'm not sure. Let me know, guys. So basically, you send this into Panini and they send you that card. They'll send you this card. Hey, it's still a redemption. That's cool as fuck. And you have an eBay 1/1. 27 of 299 jersey numbered card. This was the hitter. This was the hitter. Crazy. Yo, so rookies, there was no auto, but you got a redemption. Give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up and we're ripping this. We're ripping this for you. Give me the thumbs up and we're going to tear into that. Dude, that box was fire. You got the 1/1 eBay 27 of 299 and the redemption. Killed that, my guy. Rookies has only been pulling fire. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, we're going to get into this. Guys, appreciate you staying up late with us, rocking with us, vibing with us. We are up late tonight, my guy. It is 4:30 in the morning where I'm at. It is 4:30 in the morning. Think I might have to get 3 Vivid Voltage? Absolutely, dude. You got the floor. Here we go. Here we go. So, not it. That shit was already sticking out. Like, what's going on here? Okay. So, we have the 4 base parallels. We're going to stick in the back right there. We have your packs right there. We have an empty box. You know what happens. You know what happens. Ah. Since I got to ship. Yep, absolutely. Yep, well, we got you, bro. Let's go. Randy. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. And the parallel pack right there. So here we go. Here we go, rookies. And again, guys, let me know if I should sleeve anyone. I'm not too familiar with baseball, but I do know some people. So let's go. Let's go, guys. We are starting with a Bob Feller. Oh, it looks like we have fire back there. And Eric Thames. And again, let me know if anything should be sleeved. Who's next on floor? Shawnee K. We have Shawnee K next. A Junior Fernandez. Okay, it looks like we have a silver. It looks like we have a silver coming up. Tyler Alexander Silver. Tyler Alexander Silver. It's a good looking card. Good looking card. A Shohei Ohtani Power Zone. A